Okay, so my last video was all about why you should not join ISER, and that's why this video is going to be all about why should you join ISER. So hi everyone, this is Antika, and as you know, I am a second year BSMS student at ISER Berhampur. In today's video, we are going to talk all about why should you join ISER, because the time has came to decide whether you are going to choose ISER or not. First things first, if you are a true science enthusiast, then ISERs are for you. All the ISERs are just for you. And ISERs are not a place about marking up your textbooks just for your marks. You can say it's about exploring science, learning new things, asking questions, and maybe building up our research mindset. एंड इफ यू थिंक कि मैं ज़्यादा बोल रही हूँ और इसके लिए तुम कमेंट में गाली दे रहे हो, तो सुन लो कि आइदर तुम्हें कुछ भी पता नहीं है और मे बी तुम्हें बहुत कुछ पता है जो हमको नहीं पता है. तो अगर गाली देना है तो कोई दूसरा जगह में दे के मतलब जाके दे दो. मेरी कमेंट बॉक्स तुम्हारे गाली देने के लिए नहीं है, ठीक है? नाउ लीव दिस एंड लेट्स गेट बैक टू द पॉइंट. Now, what makes ISERs more better is that your growth at ISERs is not just academic. It's more creative, personal, and social too. Now, your academics at one side and your other activities at the other side. It's a balanced life here. Of course, studies are a cool part at ISERs, but you do have other talents. I'm pretty sure about that. Even 99% of people have other talents. Maybe they loved dancing, they love acting, they love painting, or maybe doing anything else that they were unable to do just because once upon a time their parents said, "Ki, you can't do this and you have to stop there right then and there," only because these don't have a better future. And then you started seeing their dreams as your dreams, and maybe it's your dream now. That's normal, that happens. They said once upon a time that you have to become a doctor or you have to become an engineer or maybe a researcher, and from then you started thinking that yes, it's their dream also and it's your dream also, and you said to everyone that yes, I want to become a researcher, I want to become an engineer, I want to become a doctor, and yes, you started starting from there. But I'm not saying that it's always the parents, it's the society that forced them to say those things to us. Even if we lie now, we never dreamed of doing something like that. I always wanted to become a researcher, I always wanted to become an engineer. Then other people know, bro, that you're telling the lie. Like, you're not telling the truth, because everyone had dreamed of something else other than becoming a researcher, engineer, or a doctor. And just because of family pressure, academic pressure, and anything saying ki these don't have a better future, we can't do anything with that, we left that dream, and we gradually started thinking whatever they are saying ki that is our own dream. People like the children who are second standard or third standard, they say ki I want to become a doctor. Did they even know what a doctor do? Did they even know what an engineer does? What an engineer actually has to read? Has they experienced कि इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग कैसा होता है? Has they seen कि कंप्यूटर इंजीनियरिंग कैसा होता है? बिना सोच के they say कि yes, I want to become an engineer. No matter what, no matter, like, they don't know even if they will get the interest in reading that subject or not. But they say people कि yes, I want to become an engineer just because their parents said कि yeah, your father is an engineer, you have to be an engineer. Your father is a researcher, you have to be a researcher. Your mother is a doctor, you have to be a doctor. That is what happened to all of us. So any parents, if they get this video into their feed, we also sacrificed ourselves, we also sacrificed our dreams, and started thinking ki whatever you people are saying, it's our own dream. And yeah, someday somehow it happened. We just started not only thinking, we realized ki yeah, maybe this is actually our own dream. But मैं कुछ ज़्यादा ही बोल देती हूँ. These are all the things that I wanted to say. What I wanted to say is कि ISER will give you an opportunity to show off those talents to people that you once to wish for, and once you left, like you thought yourself dancing in front of too many people and people watching you, but you had to leave that because that is not having a very big future. Maybe, or may not be also. I don't know. Left those talents, but yes, ISERs will give you another opportunity to show off your talents. Now, coming to the next part, maybe there are too many people who actually don't like to let them involve in these cultural activities, and they are totally they totally want to engage themselves into the science, like everything science, science, and science. So for them, yeah, if I talk about ISER Berhampur, then there are so many science clubs. Like of your 10 clubs there is at ISER Berhampur. There is the biology club, there is Lavida, Project Spiral, that is of the maths club, and then there is 137 inverse physics club. Kemshala is chemistry club, and there is QCell, that is of quiz. Then there is Nakshastra, and then there is what more clubs? I forgot. IIAC, and many other clubs. OSS is also there. That is the ecology club. So there are so many science clubs for you people also, and you can do so many activities if you just stay in the club and do the work. So there are too many things to do in the club. And other than this, the cultural clubs, there is the dance club, the drama club, then the music club, the painting club, that is flag row, and many things are there. So ISER Berhampur is having all the clubs that will let you engage yourself or keep you busy the whole day. Now, if you talk about the Tech Club, then Tech Club is also there because after sorry, before you take your major, so you have to learn coding also. So the Tech Club Lovely Society is also there. So everything is available at Isa Berhampur. So no matter what your passion is, you will find your place here. And by any chance, if you're thinking, "Okay, I'm asking you to come to ISS just because to fulfill your those dreams that you left once because of any problems," no, 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 I'm not saying that. Don't come to ISS. If you don't want to come to ISS, then nobody is forcing you to come to ISS. At least I am not. तुम जहाँ भी हो वहीं रहो, कोई नहीं बोल रहे तुमको इधर आने के लिए. एंड पढ़ाई करना भी क्यों है, पढ़ाई छोड़ दो. Coming to another part, your productive days starts here. When you are surrounded by motivated peers, seniors, or maybe creative outlets that will let you stay active and productive instead of lazy unproductive days. You will find yourself doing something meaningful, be it research projects or performances, or maybe like just learning from others. You know about the biggest advantage, your seniors are like gold mines of knowledge. Like, don't include me. How to apply for PhDs or masters abroad, or how to apply for an internship, how to make or build your CV, and anything you'll get to know just by talking to them, because they helped me, so they'll help you too. Normal. Of our seniors are pursuing masters or PhDs abroad, and they're more happy to guide you. Now let's talk about the gym, sports, or like the infrastructure at Isa Berhampur. Some people say that Isa Berhampur is the lowest of all the seven ISs. Okay, that maybe it's still under construction, but I have seen a few people. I'm not targeting any ISs, like no way, bhai. I'm just saying कि one to two people, or maybe just one people from some other ISs, they talk like भाई ऐसा बेरहामपुर में मत जाओ, उधर कुछ नहीं है. किसने बोला तुमको कि उधर कुछ नहीं है? तुम आके देख के गए हो क्या इधर क्या है और क्या नहीं है? मतलब ठीक है, that maybe कि ऐसा कोलकाता और ऐसा पुणे is far better than ऐसा बेरहामपुर compared to like sorry according to your words. ठीक है भाई, तुम ऐसे क्यों बोलते हो कि उधर कुछ नहीं है, उधर मत जाओ? तुम्हारा क्या हो जाएगा अगर कोई इधर आ रहा है तो? आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड, मतलब 2-3 मार्क्स का फ़र्क ही तो है. I don't know. Anyways, if you are willing to come to Isa Berhampur, then you are okay. You just come here and see whatever things are here. The only problem is it's still under construction. If I talk about the auditorium, then it's still under construction, and let's hope for the best. Ki by the end of this year, it will be constructed. The cultural programs, those are meant to take place at auditorium. Since it is under construction, it actually takes place at the amphitheater, which is 5 to 7 minutes away from the hostels. So by walk, if you are going, so then it takes hardly 5 to 7 minutes, and it's an open place, which I feel better than auditorium, but people are not like me, I know that. So the auditorium will get constructed by the end of this year, at least we are hoping that. And one biggest problem is the lab, because the labs are not yet shifted, but trust me, things are almost done. Only the shifting process is going on, because I don't think that the bus will take 300 300 students only, maybe the number of seats increase, so many students from permanent campus to transit campus, because the lab is in the transit campus. And if they are taking like so many students, and it's 19 kilometer away from the permanent campus, so I don't think that's going to happen. And probably the labs will get shifted as soon as possible. I got diverted from a point. I was at a point कि gym infrastructure and all कहाँ से कहाँ चला गया पता नहीं. So about the gym and all, so there is a gym, there is a cricket ground, there is a running track, there is a football ground, and there are basketball courts both at the boys hostel and the girls hostel. And all these places, both girls and boys are allowed to go together anytime. Not anytime. The in time is like till 2 a.m. you are allowed to go anywhere. For the gym timings is different. Other than that, the other places what I have told, ki cricket ground, football ground, basketball court, and running tracks and all, you are allowed to go there till 2 a.m. and then again you can go there after 5 a.m. So that is it. Boys and girls can go together. ये सुन के मुस्कुराओ मत, क्या ही होगा मुस्कुरा के, छोड़ो. ठीक है, so that is all about the gyms and all. About almost the last point, IASM and IASM and ICM, which are inter-ISA sports meet and inter-ISA cultural meets. So not every students are allowed to go there and participate. Like there is a specific ISA that is being selected where the IASM or ICM will take place. So it's different. Ki, suppose ICM is taking place at ISA Kolkata, so IASM will take place at any other ISAs other than ISA Kolkata. So that is again a selection process. I don't know how it goes, but yeah, every year it depends ki, which ISA will be. Like at which ISA the ISM or IASM will take place. Last year the IASM was at IICM was at ISA Kolkata. So it depends on the selection process. Again, yeah, every students can't go. There is again a selection process. So that will be inside the particular ISAs. So whoever they are selecting, their transport, foods and all, those are free of cost. ISAs will give you that. And what else I'll say about this key? Yeah, there you get a chance to show off your talents and all what I talked in the beginning of the video. And other than this, there are cultural events also that are being arranged by people from different states, diverse cultural festivals like Onam is being celebrated by the South Indian people, Utkal Divas is being celebrated by the Odia community, Agamoni, Diwali, and many more you'll get to know after you're coming to after you're coming to ISIS. And the beautiful part is every community gets a chance to showcase their own culture, and other people actively participate and also celebrates with them. So it's a very good thing. To be honest, what I felt in these 2 years it actually creates an environment of inclusivity and respect for every culture. So last but not the least, if you're dreaming of a place where science meets freedom, then ISIS are for you. You are very welcome to come here, and if you're not willing to come here, then please don't come. And best of luck for your future. You're a very good student. Wherever you want to go, please go there. And lots of love from my side. And don't think this is a sarcastic thing. I'm a dumb person. I'm not a sarcastic person. So I'm telling you from the core of my heart, ki best of luck for your future. Wherever you want to go, wherever you dreamed of, go there. Other than coming to ISIS. But yeah, if you think that whatever I said you like it and you had a plan to come to ISIS, then yes, you are welcome. And since I have said so many things about ISIS for not coming, like why you should not join ISIS, so that may have created a negative impact. So I thought I should say what things actually happen inside ISIS, so you get a rough idea about this. Now, when I get back to campus, I will definitely make videos and show about what is going on at their place, like at that place, and whatever I'm doing. So I'll share that to you. Until and unless since I'm at my home, I'm just letting you know and giving you a rough idea about what things happen inside ISIS. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you wish to please subscribe. If you wish, please hit the subscribe button और मेरे followers को बढ़ा ही दो और क्या ही करोगे. ठीक है, bye bye.